Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a truly transformative product. The Raquel Welch Flip the Script mid-length layered wig with lace front and memory cap 3. This is a wig designed to make your daily hair routine as effortless and stylish as possible. With a modern retro vibe and some fantastic features, let's see if this wig can really deliver. This wig comes in the gorgeous RL829SS Hazelnut color, which is a rich blend of warm tones that mimic a natural sun-kissed look. It features a mid-length, shoulder-sweeping butterfly cut that fades beautifully into a soft V-shaped feathered back. Now, if you're wondering about the specs, here's what you need to know. It's crafted with true-to-life heat-friendly synthetic hair, which means you can safely flat iron, curl, or blow dry it to suit your style. A big win for flexibility. The wig also has an average cap size, and it's super lightweight at just 0.6 ounces, which ensures comfort without sacrificing style. One of the standout features is the Memory Cap 3 technology, which provides added security and shape retention. This means the wig will conform to your head shape over time and stay comfortably in place. It's also got a monofilament top, which gives you that styling versatility we all crave. You can adjust your parting without worrying about it looking unnatural. The lace front adds a realistic touch, creating a flawless hairline, and the velvet-lined ear tabs and extended nape make the wearing experience even more comfortable. So, how did this wig perform in real life? I've been testing it for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, it's pretty impressive. Right out of the box, it was easy to wear and surprisingly lightweight. The memory cap made it feel secure, and I didn't have to worry about it sliding around during the day. I tested it in various situations, from running errands to attending a more formal event, and it kept its shape really well. The soft, layered texture of the hair felt smooth and natural, and the lace front is so well done that it blends seamlessly into my scalp. When it comes to styling, I did a few different looks with heat, from curling it for a bouncy look to straightening it for a sleeker appearance. The hair holds up well under heat, which is one of the benefits of the true-to-life synthetic fiber. You can be confident it won't lose its shape after styling. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the fit is fantastic, thanks to the Memory Cap 3. The color is beautiful. It really looks like natural, sun-kissed hair. Plus, the heat-friendly synthetic fibers are a major advantage for anyone who likes to change up their look regularly without worrying about damaging the wig. It's also surprisingly lightweight and comfortable, which is key when wearing a wig for extended periods. On the flip side, if you're not used to wigs, the lace front might feel a little more noticeable, especially if you have finer hair or a sensitive scalp. Also, although the wig can be styled with heat, it does require a bit more care to maintain its look over time, as synthetic fibers don't always hold up as well as natural hair. Now, let's talk about value for money. At the price point, this wig is a solid option for anyone looking to elevate their hairstyle without the time commitment of daily styling. The quality is excellent for the price, especially with the styling flexibility of the heat-friendly synthetic hair. Given that it's designed to be long-lasting and versatile, I do think it justifies its price tag, especially when you consider how easy it is to maintain compared to human hair wigs. In terms of build quality, the Memory Cap 3 is a game changer. It really helps with fit and security, so you're not constantly adjusting it. The wig's longevity will depend on how well you take care of it, but with proper maintenance, it can last for quite a while. If you're someone who loves variety and wants to change up your hair as often as you change your outfit, this wig is a great investment. However, if you're looking for something more low maintenance or want a completely natural look, you might want to explore other options, particularly in the human hair wig category. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you, if you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest reviews like this. Your support really helps us keep bringing you the best in beauty. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this wig or are thinking about trying it, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.